Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. We offer real yoga for real people. When you subscribe and turn on notifications, you will get Yin Yoga, Restorative Yoga, Yin Yang Yoga, and Yoga Nidra or Sleep Yoga. 1-hour yoga videos showing up in your subscription feed every Friday morning at 9 a.m. Pacific. The last Friday of every month is a live class. The yoga here is different from other yoga channels on YouTube. We offer deeply nourishing, full-length yoga classes that give you the opportunity to consciously and deeply rest in a world that is addicted to the speed of busyness, obsessed with overachievement, and the compulsive need to be doing, proving, and producing. So why Yin Yoga? Yin Yoga is a practice that allows us to move into stillness, to turn our senses inward, and to heal from our highly competitive, fast-paced lives. By softening our muscles in passive floor postures that are held anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, we pull and pressurize our connective tissue, increasing the pliancy in our joints. Yin Yoga also stimulates the meridian systems and the movement of energy in our body. Many Yin Yoga practitioners find the practice deeply stabilizing for their nervous system and report that it is stress, tension, and anxiety reducing. So why restorative yoga? Well, many yoga practices are still more about doing. In restorative yoga, we consciously practice doing less. Restorative yoga is about asking your body and mind to unwind and release habitual and unnecessary tension. The actual effort involved in a restorative yoga class is the willingness to explore how and where you are holding tension, relaxing your body into the ground and into the props, and allowing your breath to come in more so that tension can be released. Why Yoga Nidra or Sleep Yoga? Well, we live in a time of overstimulation, light pollution, workaholism, exhaustion, anxiety, insomnia, and sleep deprivation. We are literally sleepwalking through our lives. Ironically, we confuse sleep with being unconscious. With Yoga Nidra, we cultivate awareness across all states of consciousness, including sleep. Research has shown that a short Yoga Nidra session, even if you fall asleep, offers the same benefits to cognition and wellness as a full night's sleep. If you're brand new to yoga and you get frustrated with other yoga classes on YouTube that move too quickly, that don't give modifications, and are too hard to follow, don't worry. We have over 50 beginner yoga classes that are actually for beginners, people who have never done yoga before. We have a 31-day beginner yoga challenge that you can sign up for at melissawest.com and have it delivered right to your inbox, or you can check out all the beginner playlists here on my YouTube channel, including a beginner Yin Yoga playlist. We offer slow, easy to follow, step-by-step instructions with lots of modifications. And if you want access to my leading edge research and best value added creative content with the support of an amazing community of yogis from all around the world, and more high touch one-on-one interaction with me, then I highly recommend our membership community. Every Monday at 9:30 a.m. Pacific and 4 p.m. Pacific, I meet with our members for a live teaching talk, discussion, and meditation. And the third Sunday of every month, we have a 2-hour Yin Yoga workshop at 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific. That's 10 live classes a month in my membership community, plus tons of other wonderful content. So leave your comments, we respond, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat every day. Oh, and if you are interested in my education and lineage, the doctor in Dr. Melissa West comes from the PhD that I received in Communications and Cultural Studies from York University in Toronto, Ontario. I also have a master's in music criticism and a bachelor's in music. As far as my yoga lineage, I started as a fitness instructor in 1998. Shortly thereafter, I certified as a mat Pilates instructor with body harmonics with Margot McKinnon in Toronto, so I know my anatomy. My yoga training started at Esther Meyer's yoga studio in Toronto with Tama Sobel. I received my accreditation with Phoenix Rising Yoga Therapy in Vermont. I am a certified Phoenix Rising yoga therapist, teacher, and group facilitator. I had about 10,000 hours of training there, according to my main teacher, Alyssa Cobb. I did my Yin Yoga teacher training here in Victoria, BC with Carly Forrest, whose main Yin Yoga teacher is Sarah Powers. And my Yoga Nidra training was done here in Victoria, BC with Jennifer Piercy, who studied with Richard Miller of the IRES system. In 2017, I took refuge in the lineage of Dharma Ocean, Reggie Ray, and Chogyam Trungpa Rinpoche. My main teacher now is Neil McKinley here in Victoria, BC. Namaste.